Hi guys, time out to the trail here. Today we are at the Broughton Nature Center in Marietta, Ohio, and we are going to do the Orange Loop Trail. Allie's waving. She's saying hello.
We're all waving.
What's buzzing?
Taking this.
What's buzzing, cousin?
Everybody's been cooped up inside a little longer than they're used to, so we're looking forward to spending a little bit of time outside.
Yep. And Allie's hungry.
And I
And her eye hurts.
about to pop out.
So we are beginning on this little gravel path that's right behind the Elizabeth Sugden Broughton Community Building. A little gravel path that takes us up to the Orange Trail. There's a couple different ways to get to it, but this is the easiest. Do you like the little wooden bridges? This trail has a lot of them, actually.
You found
Another
what?
shell?
A walnut shell?
Yeah, I move it.
Oh, good job. You moved it with your stick. Yeah, sure is. Maybe we'll find a hole in. Here's the other piece of it, looks like.
You don't have to move
Oh, go ahead. You move it. Move it with your stick.
I'm going over that.
You don't have to go over, you can go through.
Don't go over that.
You have to use two hands then.
But you can help me. You silly.
There, hold your hand out. Here, hold your hand. This hand.
No, this hand.
Didn't work.
That's fine. Silver maple.
Must be a skunk around
Silver
here.
maple?
So all these are with leaves on them.
It's pretty though. They're all kind of facing the same direction too. That's a little weird.
Wait. Seriously.
Oh, look what I found.
Come on, Al.
You're out.
No, I'm taking the weeds off the trail. And I stuck.
Oh my
Now you need to pay attention and not fall off this bridge.
Not down there.
You can do it. Let her get to it, Bill. She's fine. Good job.
Feel good firewood.
Right there, right there, right there. Dad, we'll get the other one.
Put that hand down.
No.
I'll walk out it.
Allie, you see that brick wall down there? That stone wall?
Yeah.
Wonder why it's there.
I don't know.
Why that stone wall's down there.
Stone wall. Stone wall.
Oh, you think there was a bridge there at one point?
That moss rock. That moss brick.
When it gets
Moss
off the bridge
brick.
and cross
Moss
the log,
brick.
you right up through there.
Oh, okay.
I can see it now.
Yeah, you can see where it was kind of like a road through there.
Yeah.
Yeah, way down.
No.
I wonder what
It's a
for.
moss brick. It's a moss brick.
CJ, that's not funny.
How many times does he have to get you with that one?
Come down, CJ.
Little berries?
No, it's like little flowers. You see them? Little red ones, don't pick them. You can look at them.
No,
Huh? See
No.
them right there?
no. Oh, wait a second. There are berries. This is a berry flower right here.
Yeah, okay.
I know.
That's awesome.
Now we can play with my friends, play with my friends, play with my friends. Now I can play with my friends. Okay, Mom. all day long. And we can play with Macy all day, Macy all day, Macy all day. I hope.
That's beautiful. Mama.
Mama!
Sure.
Mama!
Cool, baby.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, yo.
No, I said yo, 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 yo.
Yo, 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 yo.
You're not supposed to say that.
You crossing your arms like a rapper?
No,
No.
because you're not supposed to say my word.
Okay. You say yo, yo, and I'll say no, no.
No, you don't say my word.
Okay.
And Baba and Macy and Will are this thing.
That's right. You all are 3 right now.
I farted.
You farted? Okay, thank you for letting us know. At least she's enjoying herself. So we want to get, you know.
Now 2 minutes.
Keep her on the trail, little one.
Let's find their track.
You might. What is it?
Grass.
Yeah. Is it hard or is it soft?
Soft. Feel it.
Feels like hair, doesn't it?
No, it does not.
No? Okay.
Feel it, Mom.
Okay, I will. Wow,
Yes.
that is soft.
Do you want to feel it?
Daddy, you want to feel it?
Don't break it.
Don't break it.
Nice. It's nice, honey. To the left. Your left. Yell for him.
Baba said Jay!
Why, Allie?
We're almost there to you.
Huh?
That's deep, down.
Yeah.
Hi, Papa. Hi, Bill.
Oh, Alice, hey. You got something in your eye.
Hi, Papa.
Found the flowers.
Cool.
Where is it?
Right there. Mom, Papa said he wants to cut my hair tonight.
I see gray.
I got it going now,
There's a
Bill.
lot of gray on top of him.
On top of Bill?
Yeah. Do you see it? Right in the middle of his head?
Was that little shout out to all the little girls that watch the videos to give you a call?
740-516.
On the phone you don't have?
I mean, the number will probably ring, but it seems how you don't have a phone. Okay, so we have been working really hard on trying to get Punky to hike by herself and not be carried or pushed in a buggy or whatever method it takes to get her down the road. So today we are trying the sugar method. Papaw is a fast hiker. He's always out in front of us, so he holds a bag of M&Ms. And every time she catches up to Papaw, she gets an M&M.
Like a little birdie.
Yeah, we feed her like a little bird. So far, it's working pretty well.
So far,
You find some more moss?
she's hiked maybe in about a mile.
What is that?
Did Bill leave a
What
surprise?
happened? Your brother.
What do you want to tell us?
I was walking with Papa and I saw these right here. They're growing flowers on it.
Oh, the flowers are growing up from the moss?
Yeah.
Jeez, crackers though.
Yeah, blue one.
There are any blue ones left in here. Nope, there ain't more blue ones left.
Okay, there's a buggy on your face.
Feed the little bird, and off we go. Was it good?
Thumbs up. Thumbs down. Okay.
Okay, so just a little over a mile and a half in, you come to an intersection. You want to just keep on going straight. See the orange blaze across the way? Even though there's this nice wide path, if you actually turn to the right, it'll take you back out. And it's easier, but it's usually a lot muddier. We're gonna stick on the orange trail, and we should have about a mile and a half to go.
Oh, cool. Oh, he's got an inchworm on him.
Looks like Bill's getting new clothes.
Yeah. Come here, Allie.
No
You want
more
to see this
pink
worm on
hiking
Bill?
shorts for Bill.
You see this, Ray?
Yeah.
The inchworm on him? We don't see it. See it, Allie?
Yeah.
You know what that means, Allie? That means Bill's going to get new clothes. I think the YouTube community feels sorry for him, for all the stuff they've seen him hike in. Everyone's going to rally
Yeah, you wanna
together
put it on
and
the
get him
stick?
something decent.
Mommy.
Yep, let's move him to the stick, and then we'll move him back down to
Hold
the
on,
ground or onto a
Allie.
tree or something.
Okay, Allie.
I'll help you.
Okay, you're pushing it, honey. Hold on.
I'm a little light.
Did you get him on there?
That's
Bring back
the
on
little
the
guy.
tree.
Oh, we got lots.
Hey, that's the
Where'd he go?
I think Bill's cheating.
What happened?
He was running. I get on Bill's back,
Shoulders.
Yes, that's cheating. You can't get on Bill's shoulder. That's the reason I ran.
and he was running, and I tried to get him, and then he was running.
And then you got one of these.
We caught up to him.
No, not Bill.
How did Mommy tell you to handle that beast? You don't have to worry about it anymore.
No tree. I'll get a tree for it.
Macy,
Eat it like Macy.
She knows I get rid of them.
Try to get it more up front so you can see the bench and everything.
You're cutting me off.
Oh.
There you go.
Oh wait, that's a video.
Green. That's the best right there.
Get it again, you get a blue one.
She's trying. She's reaching her hand up. Pavel's just one step ahead of you, ain't he? That's a scary place.
Okay, after a little bit, you come to another intersection of a wider trail. It goes left and right. Just cross it, keep on going straight. See the orange blaze as you get started onto it.
Give it to Bill. Give it to Bill. All right, no more than one.
I'm faster than you.
Too fast for you.
One more minute.
Sasquatch territory. You'll see a sign. Did you find?
Fern.
You did find a fern. Good job.
Fernie. Hey, Fernie. Hey, Fernie. Hey, Franny. Can I take this home?
I guess. Seems how it's not planned.
Okay.
If that's what you want to do.
I do want to. Look, I found a Fernie.
You have to carry it all the way.
Hey, Fernie. Hello.
Two holes. One down
Hi,
here,
Fernie.
one right there.
Hi. Hey, Fernie.
See the orange blaze on the tree? That's the direction we go. We follow that path, okay?
Here's my. It's starting to fall. Go over it.
Careful. Rut it out. Be careful.
It's starting to fall, Mom.
Okay.
Carefully, 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 carefully.
There's a tree tunnel up there. Go through the tree tunnel. See them? The two trees beside the trail?
Yeah.
Keep going.
I got. Hey, Brittany. You want to go see Bubba Joe? And Apple? No. Go there. Long as it's faster than Marietta. It's going right away.
Found Sasquatch, guys.
Where's Sasquatch? See him?
He's a frisbee golfer. What did we find on the tree?
Sasquatch.
A Sasquatch.
What's it called?
Sasquatch.
Good job.
And I also found Fernie.
Yep. You and Fernie are best friends now, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let's go find Papa.
Go
And,
find Billy. Scrub it up.
Careful.
No, you're off the trail. Go to the right.
Allie, look where you are.
Yeah, you're gonna go straight down the hill, babe. Go to the right.
I'll show you. There's a bridge up ahead we have to cross to get to him. Get back on
This
the trail.
way. Get back on the trail, baby.
I want to work that though.
You can't. Come on.
I can. They're right there.
I know, but you can see the trail all the way to them.
Come on.
Bubba Bill's
There
coming
you go.
back.
No.
You're just
No,
going straight
no,
up.
no. Don't come back. We're coming. Let's go see them. Hi, guys. Let's go down there.
No,
Where?
right through here. It's muddy though.
Oh, yeah, let Bubba Bill help you if it's muddy.
Come here. Harlan.
CJ, it's muddy up here, so pay attention.
Such a good big brother. When he's not tormenting you and bugging you. And
But should I look in my eye?
Yeah, but you feel better.
Yeah. And I also found Fernie.
What's that phone?
Hi, Apple. It's Fernie.
You got a phone.
Mommy, play hopscotch. What?
I'm enjoying watching you play hopscotch.
When will the cicadas come back?
Well, technically they're kind of here every year, but
Hiking shoes are-
some years they're just more plentiful than others.
These hiking shoes are really-
They are. Do they feel like they're getting too small?
Yeah.
Oh, we'll have to get you new hiking shoes. You just keep growing on mommy.
Put it back down.
Oh, man.
Allie, look at the big rock.
I see it.
What was that?
It's really awesome when you find seats on the trail, huh?
Yeah, hot chop. No.
How do I use this?
No, you can hold them. If that's the good that right out of my way, good. Another one for you.
There's another one for me?
Yeah.
There is.
And I think Bernie's dying.
One for you, one for me, one for Mom.
Yeah, forget Dad.
Yeah.
At least she thought about it.
It's not long for Dad, so Dad has to sit there.
Holly, me a
Give me
banana.
a beautiful flower.
CJ found you a beautiful flower. We did get to see some wildflowers this trip, didn't we?
Yeah, it smells good. Smell it.
Hey, shut up.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part of the hike,
No,
Allie?
no, eat it. You give me it.
M&M's, eating M&M's.
Was
Oh
that-
yeah,
Is
M&Ms.
that your favorite part?
Yeah. I see that.
Yeah. Okay, so we got 3 miles exactly in 2 hours and 15 minutes. Punky walked most of it. She did really good. Those M&Ms kept her motivated.
Yeah, it did.
What'd you boys like?
Brendan?
The dog. Chasing after her.
Chasing after Papa? Oh yeah, we got some footage of him high stepping her through the woods, didn't we?
One of these chairs.
He liked his crew hops.
All right, guys, it was fun. It was great to get out for an afternoon.
All right.
Get
So
away from
we'll
the house.
see you next time on
Time out.
To the chair.
To the Trail.
There you go. Good
See you
job.
later.